All right, so in this video, we are going to be building a pretty interesting hype chain. This one, we've got to do quite a few pieces. So let's go ahead and open her up and take a look at the process here. So we are in Bambu Studio. We're going to go ahead and import our artwork in question. There it is. Now the first thing I like to do is I like to go through and name all my pieces and parts. So that is going to be our main backplate. And we'll call this one black border. And then we'll call this one our green border. Now there are a lot of pieces, so bear with me. This is going to be our black plate. And then this one is going to be our WH backplate. And then this one is going to be WH green. And then WH gray. And then Lacrosse. And then white, I think. And then that is going to be our light gray. And then this is going to be our dark gray. And then, let's see here. So we've got white, light gray, black details. I knew I did something wrong. And then we're going to go with dark gray. And then our mouth. And then our gray star. And then our green stars. And then finally our net. All right, so we know the net's going to be white and probably 0.5 thick. We'll try that. And then we'll just come back to the top. So the back plate is going to be 8 mil. That's what we usually use for hype chains. And we're going to go with color number 2. Our black border will be 1 mil. And the green border will be 1 mil. The black plate will be 3 mil. And I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. So these values may change. It just kind of depends on how things go. So the WH black plate, let's make that 1. The WH green, let's make that 1. The WH gray, let's make that 1.5. Again, making it up as I go along. Lacrosse, we're going to do 3. And then white, we'll do 1. The light gray will do 0.5, I think. And the black details, we're going to do 0.5. The dark gray will do 0.5. The mouth will do 0.5. The gray star, we're going to do at 1. The green star, we're going to do at 1. And lastly, the net we'll probably do at 0.5. Yep. All right, so now we have all of our parts named and all of our parts sized to what I think will be the proper size. So let's start building what we've got going on here. So our back plate should be at 4, and it is. The black border is, what is the black border? That is 1, so this should be 8.5, which means the green border should be 8.5, which means our black plate should be what? It is 3, so 9.5, correct. And we want to make sure that we are also colorizing. I guess we could go do that. That's black. This would be green. We'll go ahead and colorize everything real quick. That should be 4. Lacrosse is black. White is white. Light gray is 5 if they choose to even use that. They may not. Black details are that, and then 4. The mouth is 4. The gray star is 5. The green star, of course, is green. And the net is white. Okay, so now everything is colored correctly. This will make things a little bit easier. So the back plate here is 1, so that would be 8.5. Then the green is there, so that is sitting on 9.5. Then the gray here is, this is going to be, it's going to be a little bit special, so it is going to be 9 plus 0.75, so it's going to be 9.75. Do you believe that's correct? The lacrosse is going to be 9.5. Then the white here, it's going to be 8 and 3 is 11. So let's try 11.5. I think that's right. So the light gray is going to go on top of that. So we have 11, 12 and a half, 12 and a quarter. Let's see here. 12.25. And then our black details here, let's take a look and see what we got going on here. Let's make sure our size, all of this is correct so far. It looks like it all is where we want it. So let's find out where this is in the Z. It's 1, so it's at 11.5, so it's basically at 12. So that's where that is. So our black details are going on top of 12. So those need to be 12.25. And then we have our dark gray, which those are going to be 12.25 as well. And then the mouth, now the mouth is special. Let's move that to 12.25, but I don't think that's the right dimension necessarily, because the mouth is at the same plate level as, yeah, let's just run with that. That'll be fine. What else do we got? Our gray stars are sitting on top of 8, so those would be at 8.5. And then, so would the green. And then finally the net. So where is the net? Well, the simplest thing is to take the Alt key and click on the net and this bottom piece and see how tall that is. That's at 11. The net, the top of the net is at 11. So this has to be at 11 and a quarter. And there we go. So now There is our height chain. So everything looks to be in order. Let's go ahead and slice it. Make sure we get a good slice. And some G code goes beyond the boundaries, so that's not great, but that is just our prime tower, so no worries there. So let's go ahead and reslice. Indeed, our slice is okay. Indeed, I'm pretty happy with what I'm looking at here. Now, to improve quality, there's a couple of things that I do want to do, though, to improve quality, and that is on the Quality tab. So let's go ahead and select our assembly. But on the Quality tab, I just want to change my, looks like I already got my line width already there. So we're going to go back to 0.4, but these line widths, for the default, we're going to go 0.25, tab, 0.25, tab, 0.25, tab, and then top surface, 0.25 tab. And then we will come down here on the wall generator and we'll choose Arachne as well. And let's go ahead and reslice and take a look at that again. And again, we get to slice okay. 2 hours, 16 minutes. Not bad, not bad. I can live with that. But I just want to double check, and let's turn off seams for a moment. And just want to make sure that I'm happy with all of that. And I think I am. So there we go. I think that's going to print out quite nice. And I don't know what that is right there. There must be something in the original arc. Oh, that's his nose. All right, we'll live with that. All right, so now we've got that basically where we need it. So let's go ahead and import some hype chain links. So we're going to grab another, but this time what we're going to do here, we're just going to scale them a little bit because they don't need to be quite so big because we're dealing with a smaller chain. So let's go ahead and scale them down a little bit. How thick is this? That's kind of what I'm going to use as a guide. So that's 4. How thick are these? Those are still 7. So I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and leave these where they are, but I am going to go ahead and shrink those a little bit more. So we'll go back to scale just a little bit, not too much. So there we go. And how much is each one of these links now? About 1 inch. Okay, I'll live with that. So let's borrow one of these links over here. Okay, so we'll just borrow one right here and come over here. Let's go ahead and take this and center it to our build plate. Then we'll take this and center it to the build plate. And then we'll go ahead and move that out a little bit. We'll go ahead and change that to white. Let's take a quick look at that. Control 1, straight down, straight down. Let's go ahead and alt click this, slide it down a little bit. We want that sticking out just enough to click another link to, and that should get the job done there. So we'll select this, shift control the assembly, right click and merge. And there we go. So we want to put, basically, is we'd like to do 4 on this plate, which is about, let's see here. Well, what we can do possibly is rotate this around like so. No, because we're going to be still really tight. No matter how you slice it, the plate is square. So, well, let's see here. What we want to do is we really want to get, I guess we could stagger them a little bit like this. So we can get those 3 on there for sure, but we've got to have room for a prime tower. And I just don't think we, We can get it. We can get it. I do believe we can actually get it here. It's going to be tight, but yes, we can get 4 to a plate. There we go. So let's go ahead and slice that and make sure that we're good to go there. I think we're good to go there. It's going to be a tight squeeze, but yes, we've got plenty of room for our prime tower. 6 hours for those 4. So there we go. Now we are done. Everything should work out just fine. And there is our little hype chain. All right, we'll get this off to Arthur now because he's been waiting and got that taken care of. So until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.